Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Webull account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Webull monthly account statements? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find your Webull monthly account statement anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're doing your trading, sometimes you have a transaction that you're kind of questioning or you want to review. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Webull dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Webull account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find your Webull monthly statement, here on the top right, you're going to click on this little gray person icon. Once you do that, click on My Account. Once you do that, you'll see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on E-Documents. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu along the top, and you want to click here on Account State. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of your recent statements for the current year. If you want to change the year, just click on this little arrow next to it, and it's going to go back. Once you found the correct year, go ahead and just click on the month, and it's immediately going to download your Webull statement for that month. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to find your Webull monthly statement, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.